I do remember one time when I was really little. I must have been like 4 or 5. And this particular incident I remember, Dad was holding me and they were arguing, like yelling, and and I remember yelling out to Mum, Mum, and feeling aroha for Mum, and but I was with Dad and he wouldn't let me go to her. But that was pretty bad that night. His mum got the butcher knife out and she was telling him she was gonna stab him, and that went on for ages. And she started sharpening the knife. And that ended pretty bad. Like, I don't remember. I was there. I definitely would have seen it. To this day, I don't have visual memories. Like, I remember all the blood and stuff afterwards, but nothing, no visual memories of it. And so that's obviously what I've had to do to cope with it and move on. As a child, you kind of still forgive your father for it. I don't know what happened there, but I did. We grew up and realised that's not how the world is. Our norm is not the norm, Our norm is not the norm. That is not how it's supposed to be. And when confronted with that, he had to make a decision, really. You either carry on this journey with us, Dad, or you don't. And, he made a wise choice. We've had the conversations with Mum around, man, why don't you just leave? Why don't you just take us and go? And she said to us, I didn't have anything and I had nowhere to go. And all I knew was to stay with your father. That's all I knew. But truly, I think for the benefit of your kids, you need to extricate yourself from that situation. If you can't do it for yourself, then do it for them. Because do you really want to give them that legacy, that life? I mean, you could give them that life and they might turn out fine. Like we've turned out fine. But is that a roll of the dice that you're willing to take?